Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could upgrade your computer RAM. I will take you step by step how you can do it. But first of the thing, make sure that you have a screwdriver, the appropriate one for opening your computer, and also make sure that you have the appropriate RAM which you can use for doing the upgrade. We will then just go ahead and try to open our computer. I will use the appropriate screwdriver which is matching exactly with the screw in my computer. And for pulling up the plastic part of your computer, I will invite or suggest to you to use this plastic part, or if you have some plastic, strong one for which you can use it to not damage the plastic of your computer. Also, if you have multiple screws or screwdrivers, then I will invite you to try to find out the right one. Next step will be that we will open our computer. Make sure to use the same size to not damage the screw, so not very small, not very big, just the right one. Now I will just plug up using the plastic. And the next step will be is that I will just remove the back cover of my computer so that I can just uncover the part where I'm going to plug my RAM. Once done, I will just go ahead now and I will plug my RAM. In some computers, you might have two places where you can plug two RAMs, and in some computers, you might have only one option or one available slot. So make sure that you plug the correct size. So for now, I will just put the new RAM and I will put it in so that the golden parts are not very visible, and make sure to push down. I will show you again from closer. So make sure that you select the right side and push in, and then once done, those little golden teeth will not be visible, or those golden parts will not be visible. Push down. Those little metallic parts is the thing, or is the parts which are fixing the RAM from not moving. So make sure that you do it properly, and make sure again that you have selected the right RAM, because RAM are different. There are DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, and this or some of them might not fit with your computer. So before doing that, make sure that you have done some research. Once you have completed the operation, you can go ahead and try first to start your computer before reclosing your computer. If everything functions as it's supposed to be, then just go ahead, turn it off, and close your computer for once and enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.